today I wanted to share with you a mini album that I created. It is a 6x6 mini book, and I know it is no longer Christmas in July. I'm simply late to the party, but I wanted to share it with you. I used the collection from Doodlebug. It is called the Milk and Cookies collection, and I know probably most of you have probably seen this collection. I believe it was from last year. I did make a book similar to this last year. However, I really love this collection better. It fits the theme of the book so much better. So I can't wait to share with you the inside. So again, it is just 6x6, and the idea is to tuck in your favorite cookie recipes, and you can use this for reference every year. I mean, how cute would that be to take out at each holiday season, or tuck in your favorite cookie recipes and gift this to someone else. I'm sure they would love to have something like this. So here on the front, here's the cover. I just included a really pretty bow, a cute little tag that says made with love. And this was made just for you with lots and lots of love. And you could obviously write your name there. And then I did add a fun little measuring spoon right here. I was trying to find a way to cover that Betty Crocker, but I think it's okay. I mean, it obviously fits the theme. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it just like that. I used a really fun Santa Claus die cut for the front, a cute pom-pom, some cookie embellishments from this same collection, and then simply here's my title, Cookies for Santa. So that's a look at the cover there. So here's a look at the inside. So on the left side, I just kind of created a waterfall effect of just different cardstock and pattern paper. So this just all gets tucked in, and you can add some journaling to them. Here's just a cute little tag that I embossed, added a little candy and some pretty seam binding. And then because I had this little gingerbread guy on the right side, I wanted to add a couple more to this side. So I just used them as fillers here, and I think they just made such a cute little addition to this little waterfall. And then again, here's just another little tag that I cut out of pattern paper, added some twine, added a doily here, 2 more candies, and then this little sentiment that says compiled from my favorites just for you. So I added that. And then here, this is just my favorite recipes. I added this little big gingerbread guy. I really like him. He's my second favorite. These are my favorite, and then he's my favorite. Added a cute baker's hat to him, and then embellished him, and then added some more candies to kind of surround him off there on that page. And then here, just a cute little tag, and this says candy cane ready, some buttons, and then I used this image from the paper collection. I just thought it was really cute there. Now, this is how the book is, how I created it. So there's little pockets here, and then inside there's a little recipe card that you'll write your recipe down, or you could obviously print it and then just tuck it right inside. So that's how they get tucked in to the mini album. And then here I just added baked with love. I did emboss this envelope here. And then I also, not only this book, you will include your recipes, but also include photos of your favorite cookies. So here this says, take a look. Of course, this is absolutely no peeking, so it's kind of contradictory there. But you just kind of pull this up, and then you could, document a photo of your cookies here. And this says, tasty goodness. And then here I added just a fun element, a little shaker element using 2 candy canes, and then this fun sentiment that says wishing you a sweet Christmas, and added some flowers on the side. I really like the way this turned out. And then here's another place for a recipe, and then you just turn it here. Again, I embossed it here with a fun snowflake die that kind of looks like cookies almost, so I really love the way that turned out. And then here, this says sweet moments. I should have picked up my little milk bottle just a little bit higher, but I really love that. So cute. And then added some hearts. And I love this paper with the little gingerbread guys. It's very, very fun. And then here, this just says yum. 3 little craft Christmas trees that kind of resemble, well, I try to have it resemble like cookies. So I added them there. I did include a 6x6 vellum pocket that will also house a recipe card, so you could tuck that inside. I just love adding vellum to all of my projects, so some way or another I'm going to incorporate that element. And then here's another envelope with a recipe card there. And then this here, I just created a little gingerbread house, some candies that surround it, and then this little sentiment that says, "Good things come in tiny packages." And then here, another place to document your cookies by adding a photo here, and then just using another pre-made embellishment from the collection. And then one last spot for another recipe. And that is how I finished it there. And then the back just has the Santas on the back. I hope you enjoyed this mini book. I had so much fun creating it. I love Christmas, I love the holidays, and any excuse to play with red and green cardstock, add a little bling, I'm definitely going to be doing it. So thank you for letting me share this with you. This is the first mini book that I am introducing to my Etsy shop. I only have a few of these available. I've already kind of pre-sold some. All the details will be in my Etsy shop. If you're interested, if you'd like to make one for your own, I'll link the paper collection down below. And I hope that you have a wonderful week. And thank you so much for stopping by.